Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Fivetran schema history and test loads, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Fivetran schema history and test loads, begin by logging into your Fivetran account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see your connected connectors. Select the connector for which you want to download the schema history. Click on the Schema tab in the Connectors Details page. Here, you will find the option to view your schema history. Locate the Historical Changes section to see the schema changes over time. To download the schema history, look for a download button or link, typically indicated by a downward arrow. Click this button to initiate the download. The schema history will be exported in a CSV or JSON format, depending on your preference. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Now, let's move on to testing loads. Return to your Fivetran dashboard. Select the same connector from which you downloaded the schema history. In the connector's details, find the Test Load option. Click on Test Load to begin the process. You may have to specify or select the tables you want to test. After making your selections, initiate the test load process. Monitor the progress as the test load runs. Once the test is complete, review the output for any errors or issues. Make any necessary adjustments based on the results of the test load. And that concludes the process of downloading Fivetran schema history and testing loads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.